Alright, we are back with another video. Today we're
Dang,
going to do
your mama phone go fast.
Yeah.
Them numbers go fast.
We're going to be doing a slime video. This is the glue inside the video. This is the glue. I put
That's metal glue, that is?
I activated a baking soda. Now I need my spoon. Okay.
Oh, I want to go now. Girl, chill out. Hold on.
And sorry, you guys. And now mix. No.
Sorry, you better eat it too. You better not waste it.
Okay, fine. This is the how it's turned out. Turn it out.
This is how hers tastes out. Her other one.
That's how my other one turned out. I had another whole thing, big gallon of glue, didn't I?
We got a big old gallon of slime.
Glue.
In our glue, a big old gallon, like a 2 gallon.
It's like to my ceiling, all the way to the floor, and it's like really big. It barely can fit in my room. We are in Michigan right now. This is how my slime is.
It's freezing outside.
No, it's not.
It's not even cold outside in Michigan.
We got like 80 houses. No one's listening.
So y'all hear that? Imagine them about to make these young homies again.
Back again.
Back again. Look at that Cardi B or Nicki Minaj.
That's Nicki Minaj.
I said, who you like better, Cardi B or Nicki Minaj? I do too. But my bankroll.
Big Bang Tag Little Bang.
Big Bang Tag Little Bang.
I did that one. Comment down below and add me on Snapchat, bro. Queen KK. Add me on Snapchat. Queen KK.
Look at this big old slime. Oh yeah.
Comment down below. This how it cracks. Hey! Look, bro. Put that slime right there.
You about to get the other one?
No, the one by the broom. Okay.
It's moving, it's moving. It's moving.
Okay.
That ball is moving by itself. You see it?
That is a ball moving by itself.
It was a ball just moving by itself.
Well, she just did it. Look, my sister's on a hoverboard. Turn that light on, Steve. She's on the hoverboard. You're making slime with her.
Can you get on her board?
She got like 4 years old, bro.
This girl's only 4 years old and she got her board. Let me go show it to you. I'll show it.
This is slime. this up now. Oh shit.
That's mine.
My other sister, she's on the hoverboard.
100.
Hoverboard. She's 9. Yeah.
Well, but
She about to be 13. She about to be 13. She a short 13.
she got hit.
Get off the hoverboard. You're not
I got you a Gucci, Bruno, Kodak. Wait,
Look, I got bent too. She was in the way.
You should never been in the kitchen.
You over here trying to show up.
money.
It's okay though, okay? It's okay.
I'm sorry, Zaria.
Because she really was in the way.
Sorry, Zaria, for listening.
Well, she just got hit. My little sister just got hit by the hoverboard.
Sick. A dump's on my neck. I like more than sex. I like more than sex.
But nothing in this world
That I like more than
check. What I really wanna see is
We're gonna dance. It's like.
Bye, bye.